Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous truck. It's a complete body off restored 1935 Ford pickup. I think they call it a Model 18. Flathead V8 under the hood. Comes with the show board. Also in 35 plates. So the person prior to my client, picked it up in 1998. Removed the bed. Sent it out for acid dipping. Then got it back from acid dipping. Stored the rocker panels, rebuilt the motor, reassembled it, put it in prime. And this is the showpiece at the end. Beautiful. Comes with this cool toolbox. I'll show you that in a moment. It's loaded with spark plugs and everything. Gorgeous. Finished in Dearborn blue. It's like a dark blue, almost looks black. Gorgeous chrome, paint, stainless. Everything is beautiful about this truck. Gorgeous interior. Comes with owner's manuals, 1935 plate. Full book of the restoration procedure. It's got a hand-painted stripe. Looks really nice against the blue. And then the Fenders boards are finished in black. Man, so beautiful. Jeez. Here's the box. Comes with a cover that's made specifically for it. Also a Ford padlock, which is super neat. That's how they made it back in the day. Beautifully crafted. Man, look at that. Gorgeous. Jack, tools, little flags to hang out when you pull over. Additional spark plugs. All 8 of them. The tools, including the screwdriver, crescent wrench, everything else. Little grease gun too. And a beautifully crafted box. Even has like a little bit of Velcro, the fuzzy part, so this lock doesn't scratch it. It's beautiful. Stain to match. Then it's got the stake bed. Hillandale Farms. Came from New York. Gorgeous, gorgeous paint. Very correct too, right with down to the turned down exhaust tip. Regular filament lenses. Spoke wheels. As far as I'm concerned, this is the most beautiful pickup, this style, I've ever seen. A lot of these are chopped and modified, and blowers and all that stuff. So you got the instruction book, all from Motor Company. This is what it looked like originally. This kind of goes on about the restoration. It was completely taken apart and put back together. Pretty neat. And that was done in, looks like finished in 03. Very cool. That was in before he did the stripe. Really cool. And it comes with the 35 plates. These are in like pristine condition. Gorgeous. Interior is magnificent. I'm gonna turn it on though. Pretty sure that works. Man, look at this clock. So pretty. Chrome gas pedal. Beautiful truck. Definitely a showpiece. There she is. Flat 8. You can see it's got all the correct stuff, right down to the correct hoses and clamps. Very neat. Man, you just don't seem like this anymore. They're all chopped and modified and messed with. Right gasket material and everything in here. Beautiful. Definitely belongs in a museum. These swooping body lines are beautiful. Comes with the milk can as well. Nice little touch. Like brand new. Beautiful. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out about 200 or so photos I took today on the website, weebyautos.com. Smash the subscribe button. Give me a call. Thanks a lot.